yes. What is modern Istanbul? Levent is a neighborhood and one of the main business districts of this city. Numerous skyscraper projects are currently under construction or in the planning phase. One of the modern skyline clusters of the city is located here. Hidden behind the hills of the Bosphorus. And not disturbing the atmosphere of the historical peninsula of Istanbul, which is at quite a distance. The tallest skyscraper in Levent is the 54th-floor Istanbul Sapphire, which has a roof height of 238 meters. QNB Finance Bank is a Turkish bank with the headquarters in Levent. Number of employees is 12,087. Do you love heights? Do you love a good panoramic view? Do you love shopping? Do you love all three? If so, you need to get yourself to the Istanbul Sapphire. The Istanbul Sapphire is a bit of everything. It's an observation deck, it's a luxury residence, a golf range, and it's a shopping mall. This area is designed to be environmentally friendly, cutting down on the carbon emission of the countless vehicles which drive around it every single day. The Istanbul Sapphire been built in an ecological way, and this is because the outer has two glass shelves that pull the air in from outside, with holes located every 3 individual floors. This means that anyone inside the building won't be affected by the weather outside. And sometimes during winter, the weather in Istanbul can be cold and rather grim. A cozy cafe will allow you to enjoy the view of this city. There is an open area where the view is not so spectacular in rainy weather. So guys, Istanbul has the modern part, so please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.